Hello everyone. Today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. Through how to download and install Google Chrome on your laptop and computer. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get into this. The first thing you'll need to do is go and open up a browser. So in this case I'll just use Microsoft Edge on my computer. Once you then go and open up a browser, what we then need to do is go and find Chrome. So let's go and search for Google Chrome just like this and go. Search for it, and then all you then need to do is go and make sure you go to the official Google site, which is google.com, and here we are. And then what we can do is go and tap on a download Chrome. You can also have this automatic option here. I'll untick that personally. So yeah, tap 1, download Chrome, and the download will begin. And if you're using Edge, you can actually get your downloads on the top right, or what you can do is after you've downloaded Chrome, all you need to do is open up your File Explorer and go to your downloads and find the installer. But mine's here, so I'll click on it and it will then begin. So firstly you'll go and get a Windows security pop-up, and then you have to agree to that. I can't record it, and the download will then begin after it's finished downloading. It will then automatically install, and Chrome should go and open up just like this. And I've actually used Chrome before on this computer, so I'm already logged into my account, but if you are, you'll just need to go and log in, and it's that easy. Please leave a like if you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.